For over 15 years, smartphones have ruled our lives. From scrolling news feeds to ordering food delivery, our thumbs do most of the working. But a silent revolution is underway. Tech giants are betting billions on a future where smartphones disappear and your entire digital world moves to your face. So, strap in because today we re-dive in headfirst into the insane world of AR glasses and why your phone may soon be history. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. It really helps us out. The iPhone debuted in 2007 and ushered in a new era of personal computing. Before this, we had desktops, laptops, even tablets. But nothing that combined power, portability, and affordability like the iPhone. Within a few years, Android devices offered similar functionality and consumers were spoiled for choice. Competition pushed both platforms to evolve quickly, cramming in bigger screens, better cameras, faster processors, and more storage. And the pace of innovation didn't stop there. Over the past 15 years, mobile phones have completely reshaped how we live, work, and play. They put vast amounts of knowledge, entertainment, and connection into the palm of our hands. They also caused many problems like decreased attention spans, increased anxiety, and disrupted sleep patterns. But still, it's hard to imagine life without them. That is until now. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global smartphone market has reached its peak. Sales peaked in 2021 and growth is expected to shrink. And that's not surprising! There's only so much you can do with a flat glass rectangle. Sure, you can play games, scroll social feeds, or watch videos. But those things eventually grow old, especially if you have nothing new to look forward to. And that's the problem today. Phones are no longer evolving dramatically like they used to. Consumers want something new, something immersive. And this desire for change is already evident. Smartphone users are spending less time on their phones and more time on other activities. The average American checks their phone about 97 times per day, down from 120 in 2021. If this trend continues, phones will go the way of feature phones and dumb phones. So what's replacing them? You might be surprised. The answer is wearables. Smartwatches were the early birds, then fitness trackers, wireless earbuds, and now augmented reality glasses are on the horizon. Right now, wearable tech accounts for about 13% of all electronics. But by 2030, that figure is projected to double. And leading the charge, AR glasses? We've seen glimpses of these in movies like The Terminator and Ready Player One. But the good news is, you don't need to travel to the future to get a pair. Several companies, including Snap, InReal, Facebook, Samsung, and Google, are already selling AR glasses. However, these are basic models. The real deal won't hit the market for several more years. Apple is taking a slightly different approach by building an AR headset called the Apple Vision Pro. It can be used in conjunction with a Mac or it can function independently. Either way, Vision Pro is an expensive proposition at $3,500. Fortunately for consumers, lower-cost alternatives are being developed as we speak. Today, the average person spends a whopping 4 hours a day on their phone. When AR glasses hit the market, that number will likely drop dramatically. That's because they offer a unique hands-free experience. Here's an example. Let's say you want to see a movie. With a smartphone, you'd have to hold it steady while watching. You might use a second hand to prop it up, or find a precarious place to set it down. But with AR glasses, you're free to sit back and relax. Your entertainment is right in front of you. In fact, you could lie down and enjoy a huge IMAX viewing experience. But what about texting? Well, you won't have to worry about holding your phone up either. Voice dictation makes typing unnecessary, and your messages appear in your field of vision. Simply confirm the message with a spoken command or a blink. Even better! AR glasses remove the need for speakers and headphones. All audio will be pumped directly into your ears. And yes, others will be able to hear what you're listening to. You can control this aspect with simple hand gestures. And here's another advantage. Smartphones force you to sit still. If you leave the house without it, you lose access to the digital world. But with AR glasses, you can roam freely while staying connected. You won't even realize you're wearing them. That's because AR glasses are designed to be lightweight and inconspicuous. But how do they work? Well, every AR glass system consists of three main parts: input, processing, and output. Input can come in the form of a camera, microphone, gyroscope, or motion sensor. This data gets processed by an onboard computer, which uses algorithms to convert it into visual displays. These outputs can take many forms, from simple text and images to full-on holograms. What sets AR glasses apart from VR headsets is that they overlay digital content onto the real world. This means you can interact with physical objects while wearing them. But let's be honest, the biggest draw of AR glasses is their potential for gaming, shopping, and social media. Games would be more immersive than ever. Imagine playing Pokemon Go with your friends in real life and actually hunting Pokestops. Or picture yourself playing chess against a friend with actual pieces. You'd feel like you were transported into the game. Shopping would also become an AR experience. With product information appearing in your line of sight, you could browse items hands-free and visualize how they'd look in your apartment. Or maybe you want to try on clothes virtually before buying. Imagine saving time and money without having to return items. But best of all, AR glasses would supercharge social media. Think about video chatting with friends, family and colleagues as if you were in the same room. You could even attend concerts and sporting events remotely. Some analysts predict that AR glasses could become the next social network. After all, they'll be worn by millions, perhaps billions of people. AR glasses also offer potential health benefits. Doctors could monitor patients remotely with live feeds displayed right in front of them. Medical professionals could also use AR to display complex diagrams and procedures during training. And the possibilities don't end there. Imagine traveling around the world without leaving your home. Thanks to live feeds, you could visit places you've always wanted to see, like the Great Wall of China or the Northern Lights. In essence, AR glasses amplify your senses and keep you connected to the digital world at all times. They're the ultimate companion for millennials and Gen Zers, who spend most of their time online. And if you're feeling nostalgic, you can always pull out your phone. So, AR glasses offer a lot of advantages. But how long will they last? Well, that depends on a variety of factors, including battery life, privacy, cost, and social acceptance. Battery is probably the biggest concern. Most AR glasses last between 2 and 5 hours, which isn't enough for all-day use. Fortunately, manufacturers are working on ways to extend battery life, such as by using solar power. Privacy is another issue. AR glasses collect a ton of personal data, including facial expressions and eye movements. If that information falls into the wrong hands, it could be used for malicious purposes. To address this, AR glasses will include strong encryption and privacy features. Cost is also a factor. According to the Global Newswire, the global AR market was valued at $86.6 billion in 2023. But as competition heats up, prices should fall dramatically. But one thing's for sure, this tech is rapidly advancing. And once it hits the consumer market, AR glasses will only get better and cheaper. So let's recap. Smartphones are reaching their peak, ushering in a new era of wearables. AR glasses are leading the charge and have the potential to kill the smartphone as we know it. Of course, challenges remain, but history suggests convenience will win. We may be living through the last days of the smartphone era. The question is, are you ready for what comes next? Do you think smartphones will disappear in the near future? Let us know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more.